success. Alright, we're going into super speed. We're approaching the mouth. It's the beginning of the digestive system.
The smell of approaching food triggers the mouth to secrete saliva. Once the mouth chews the food small enough to be digested, other mechanisms come into play.
Hurry, everyone, here comes the mouth. We have to chew in order to get by. Eat these carrots.
We're slowing down.
Don't worry, the salivary enzymes will produce enough saliva for it to slide on through.
These enzymes are produced by the salivary glands and break down starches into smaller molecules.
This is a one-way trip. No going back now. The uvula and soft palate will keep us from going back. Now we're entering the black hole known as the pharynx. Hold on!
The pharynx has closed off the trachea, and we have entered the space known as the esophagus.
We will be pushed through the esophagus and into the stomach by several contractions called peristalsis.
What's that ahead? Oh no, it's the ring-shaped muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter. This sphincter opens to let food pass into the stomach and closes to keep it there.
Everyone hold your breath. We're going through a liquid patch of gastric juices, mucus, and hydrochloric acid.
How can the stomach handle all these acids and enzymes? It can handle this because mucus cells secrete mucus into the lumen of the stomach and into gastric pits. This lines the stomach and acts like a force field.
To your left, you can see the parietal cells, which produce two important secretions, the intrinsic factor and hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid tries to protect the body by killing bacteria.
Oh no! The hydrochloric aliens are on our tail!
There he is! The hydrochloric aliens are approaching! No!
Oh no! The acid is breaking through!
Thanks to the hydrochloric aliens, they changed our inactive pepsin into active pepsin.
That pepsin will break dietary proteins into their amino acid building blocks.
Wait, what's this? Yo, what up? I'm G-Cell from the bottom of the gastric pits. I release my hormone homies into the bloodstream in response to my stimuli hoes. Stimulation of my smooth muscles leads to the stronger contraction, so my players in the food can get through the pyloric sphincter.
Hey, look! The gastric lipase just split the triglyceride fats into fatty acids and diglycerides.
Quickly! We must drink this gastric juice and mix with the bolus food so we can turn into chyme in order to progress further into digestion.
Where are we now?
Well, the answer's out of this world. We're in the small intestines.
Make sure to watch out for the villi, which are projections that increase the surface area of the small intestine. There are also microvilli, which increase the absorptive surface area. Peptidases and maltases are embedded within the plasma membrane of the microvilli, so watch out! The small intestine is made up of 3 segments. The first is the duodenum, which is mainly in charge of continuing the process of breaking down the food.
That's why I always wear my duodenum jeans.
The duodenum and ileum begin the absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream.
These genes can absorb anything, like nutrients such as iron and calcium. peristalsis. We're being moved with the food and mixing with digestive secretions.
The pancreatic enzymes break down protein, fat, and carbohydrates from the food we eat. The pancreatic enzymes are lipase, amylase, and protease. Bile from the liver breaks down the food.
Did I hear somebody say bile?
Hey, look, guys, it's Bile Bill.
I was created in the liver to purify the blood. Now I'm stored in the gallbladder. During a meal, the gallbladder will contract me and send me to the small intestines. I will just wander around, helping digest fat and eliminating waste from the blood.
All right, Bile. Bye, Bile.
So long, kid. First, we're entering the cecum, which is the small pouch connecting to the small and large intestine.
What is that? That's the appendix, which is connected to the cecum.
Now, we are moving on, upward into the ascending colon. Then we will travel across the abdomen, in the transverse colon, back down the other side of the body, in the descending colon, and then through the sigmoid colon.
The large intestine also absorbs sodium as well as water and electrolytes, but it excretes metallic ions into the wastes. These wastes form into solid stool which continue to the rectum.
Oh, look! The electrometeorites are being absorbed here. Wow! Now we can move on to the rectum.
Oh, hey y'all! I'm just trying to get my stool to UrAnus.
I don't know about that.
Oh, he's going up! Oh!
All right, get in! It's contracting! It's contracting!
Oh,
What is that?
Is it a liquid, solid, or a gas?
Are you a liquid, solid, or a gas? Are you a liquid, solid, or a gas? Solid! We're almost there!
Heavens.
And that's how the digestive system works. So long, kid!